What are you doing?
You could just say action, right?
I was getting the laughter out. That was all of it condensed.
Hello.
We're not introducing the video.
I know.
Just like go. Come out.
Should I say?
Gay. I'm not actually. Fun fact.
I'm not straight either.
I'm not straight, but it doesn't mean I'm gay. That's straight. Yeah, exactly. It's a spectrum. It's a spectrum.
I mean,
Yeah.
This is for the most out there. Like,
This is the best. No, wait. This award is going to most out there. Like the stars, or the planets, or Pluto. That everyone doesn't believe is a planet.
Pluto is a
It's
planet!
It's a planet! And while you're yelling, it's like, let's go to the nominees! Like, while you're still, you don't stop yelling.
Okay.
And then it's just, it's a planet, god damn it! I'm gonna kill Neil deGrasse Tyson! I'm gonna strangle him with his shitty solar system die! Something like that, you know? If you don't use that, that's gonna be a good blooper. So I'm dead, either way.
the next one's also me.
Oh.
Your camera.
Oh, it's coming! Like a virgin.
What would you know about virgins?
I was one.
Yeah, over 3 years ago.
I was one for the first around 16 years of my life.
Yeah, that's right.
I haven't had one in a while.
You're supposed to take them apart. We're winning our set piece. I mean, it's kind of funny how popcorn's going down through, but like.
I'm fluctuating throughout it, I think. Yo. Yes!
Which implies there's something else on this hand.
And then later we learn it says no. Although people probably assume that it says no, and they're like, I was right, like later.
Yeah, which just gives you them satisfaction.
Exactly. We trapped them.
I'm a psychology major.
Ghost busted. This video's but I'm not.
He makes music.
What if I put on sunglasses? Wait, I got an idea. 1 second. 1 second.
One.
What?
1, 2, 3,
Stop it.
4.
Wouldn't you say?
Yes, I
Yes,
would.
they would. They would say that. They would.
I would.
This one is for the best addition to a series. This next one also improves on what I said before, so it makes sense. Like if I'm saying something, and then you improve on it, and then I improve on it. It's like a series.
Wow!
Wow! It's like a joke!
We're good at those.
Sometimes. When we are, they get an award.
Hey.
Somebody dying. Or a door.
It's both, actually. I'm a dying door.
Ah! And... Get in the car! I should.
Yeah, I'm too long, Nathan.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
No.
Look at me.
No, you're
I'm in pain.
not. Okay.
I'm in pain.
Let's not do this.
No, it's funny.
No, come back. Come back. No. No. Like a virgin. They haven't seen one. Probably. I mean, I've seen one. And that's why they're still a virgin. Someone you loathe. Someone you hate with all of your being. With every fiber of your being. And then you say something.
Someone he'd put into a guillotine.
Someone you chop up into little pieces.
Someone you
But then they taste really, really bad. I put you in a weak room, and all that came out was your eyeball. You're probably dead.
Anyways.
Terminator. So that was the worst character, but this is for the worst video, which all my fault. All my fault.
It's all on him.
All on me.
I had nothing to do with it.
Some of them are just bad. I gotta admit. They're bad. Okay, let's try it again.
I had nothing to do with any of them, did I?
Yeah, you did.
Well, I can literally say I had nothing to do with it.
And that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 of them were things I did at the cottage, so I was completely alone. One of them I did just after getting out of the bath, and the other one I did here while I was alone. So when I'm alone, I crank out some real bad ones sometimes. There's like one really bad stink one in the middle.
Penis joke. Because people say crank one out.
He's jerking off!
It's great.
Hold on. Farts! Like, thank you for watching.
Yeah, we just eat.
Thank you! Tell your friends about the channel. I need more people so I can do community posts and it's not just us deciding these.